MIRA stock is attempting to retest the highs of late November of last year, 2023, up as you can see 398%. This is close to the highs of $3.96 printed in November. It closed at in November of last year, late November, exactly 27th of November, you know. But the highs of that, there were even higher highs. We have 4.67 as of a week earlier, 4.66. There's I mean, the way things are going, it's possible it can probably reach those highs, you know. If as things stand right now, if it surpasses 3.67, then there's a good chance that we can see 3.84. As a matter of fact, it has actually printed 3.84, 3.85. It has actually printed that, you know. There's a good chance that might be repeated again, you know. That's these are the projections. Obviously, as I mentioned, 3.4, it's 3.8403. Let's see whether we have anything more ambitious on the longer interval charts. This is the 3-minute chart. Let's see what we have here. 3.7869. Okay, 3.7869. Let's look at the 5-minute. Let's see what we have. The 5-minute, we have 3.6941. Let's look at the 10-minute. Let's see. We have a projection here, 4.0568. Okay, 4.0568 on the 10-minute chart. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Let's see what we have here. 3.8667. Let's look at the 45 minutes. Let's see. There are no projections here. It has surpassed all of its upper projections. As a matter of fact, it has a trading range, what if it's 2-week trading range of 0.5 and $7.9. So the stock has a history of being this volatile. I'm not exactly sure what the float for the stock is, but we can quickly find out later on. Okay, so on the longer interval charts, it has surpassed all of its upper projections, but maybe on the daily chart we may have something really ambitious. Yeah, on the daily chart, yes, it has equally surpassed all of its projections. 2.2 is the highest it has there, and it hasn't recalculated. Okay, let's have a look at its weekly charts, if there's anything there, if there are any Fibonacci projections there. Let's see. Okay, there are no projections on the weekly chart. There are no projections here. So our best bet is around 4.05, or indeed we can still refer to. Okay, let's see. We can still refer to. Let's look at a 4-hour chart. So this high of 4.66, we can still have a look at it. Refer to it. So 4.66. I think we can't see it anywhere nearby. You can see 4.66. We have to go all the way back a long time ago to see 4.66 on this 4.89. 4.89 was printed in like I mentioned earlier on, in November of last year. So we can quickly pick up a few projections here. We have 3.56 as the 10-period moving average, standard deviation of 0.6225. 3.56. So if you use that, there's a good chance you might get something that would impress you. You know, there's a good chance you might get something that might impress you if you use it to try to estimate a probability. 4.9 as a matter of fact. You might get something, but I'm not exactly sure that it will be the best way to look at it. Not exactly sure. Okay, yeah, it's cooling off, and on this 4-hour chart, you know, it's very likely that it's going to pull back into this price channel. So this price channel is this price channel we have here is let's see the upper line of its price channel. Let's see. Let's get it. It is at yeah, it's at upper channel is at 1.97. Let's see what it refers to here 1.97. Okay, 1.42 is okay, so I think maybe between 1.97 and 1.41. 1.97 and 1.41 is the sort of region it might fall into. Obviously this is obviously we have this is 1.97, obviously the upper line, and let's see whether we can get the lower line. The value of the lower line will be 0.56. 0.56. Okay, so we have here 1.42 as the most as its support, and we also have 1.97. so yeah, you can take those figures as supports that it can fall back into, given that it has run up this huge expansion of its price channel. You should expect it to pull back, and that will definitely be what's going to happen. That will be what is going to happen. Let's look at the 2-hour chart. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely going to pull back into this channel as well. Let's look at this upper channel. It's 2.1. Yeah, the gain is now 387. It's attempting again to see if it can surpass this 3.85. If it does, then we're looking at higher prices. 3.85. Let's see if it surpasses this 3.6. It has actually, okay, as things stand right now, if it does surpass 3.67, there's a good chance it can extend further to 3.8403. We can quickly find out if what the float is. Let's see what's behind this volatility, because the stock is it has a history of being volatile, highly volatile. Float is let's see, where is it here? Float is yeah, 9.75. no wonder, that's relatively small. Yeah, relatively small. Let's see, short interest. Do we have short interest here? Short interest of float is 0.16. So it's not really a case of short squeezes, but short sellers will definitely come into this. They will definitely come back and try to make the most of this rally we're looking at right now on MIRA. So I'm expected to pull back all the way down to, I think our best bet will be the 4-hour chart. Expected to pull back all the way down to into this price channel between 1.96, 1.41. Maybe another day you might it might provide another opportunity to get involved. But so volatile today. But we can quickly have a look at its see what scalpers are doing at the moment. Yeah, not very much, but it's so quiet. It looks so quiet. It looks really quiet for a stock that is this volatile. Okay, in any case, have a look at MIRA stock and see what you make of it. I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.